Good morning to all of you, and let's start with our revision part. Already we have completed our attendance session, so everyone has given their presence in the chat box. Now we will start with our revision. Today we are going to use on or in. Okay, use on or in. So you are having two options, using on or in. I am going to give you some sentences, 5 sentences, and you will write on or in. Okay, very nice. So still Granthana has not completed her breakfast. So Granthana, please turn off the camera and have your breakfast along with the class. Please turn off the camera, Granthana. Yes, and finish your breakfast along with the class. Very good. Now, so here comes your first sentence. The book is dash the table. The book is dash the table. Those who are joining just now, please put your attendance. Those who are joining afterwards, please put the attendance. Just type P for your attendance. Okay, okay, very nice, Anurag, thank you. And I am getting lots of answers, and each and every answer given by 16 students, very good, all are correct. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. Next comes the spoons are dash the tray. The spoons are dash the tray. Very good, Shyama Prabhu, Ashmita, Shrestha, Otri, Priyam, Sanstita. Ashmita, very good. Rudra Aditya, Moyuk Majhi, Shamantak, Srijan. Exactly, each and everyone, Hanifa also. Each and everyone has given the correct answer, and Shashmit was typing something but I didn't receive his answer. Simran, very good. And Shashmit, where is your answer, beta? You were typing your answer. Come on, I'm waiting for your answer. Simran, yes, very good. And Shashmit was typing his answer, but I'm not getting it. Okay, the spoons are in the tray. Now let us go for the next question, and let me see if it is visible or not. Yes, Shashmit, your answer is correct now. So yes, I can write the third question over here. So the third sentence comes, So here comes your next sentence. The pen is dash the book and the book is dash the stool. The pen is dash the book and the book is dash. So what can be the answer? Who will guess it? What can be the answer? Okay, Ashmita is the first one to give the answer. Let us see rest of the students what they are giving. Very good, Ashmita. You have given the answer. Very good for that one. Your answer is correct or not, that I will declare later on. Okay, let me see some more answers. Okay, Ashmita Haldar and Ashmita Bhabok both has given the answer. So let us see. Prithviraj, very nice. I can see him. So students, you can even note down this one. Priyam has given the answer. Okay. So Sansita has given the answer. Shyamu Prabhu, I want the answer for the both the part. Both the part. The pen is dash the book and the book is dash the stool. Okay. You have to use in and on. Only two options has been given and I am getting lots more answers. That is Mayuk Maji has given answer, Shamantak has given answer, Otri has given answer. Yes. So now, Rudra Aditya, everything is going fine over here. So please disconnect the call and join us again. Please disconnect the call and join us again. Okay. All of you, please turn off the cameras. Everyone, please turn off the cameras. I would request parents to help your wards to please turn off the cameras. I hope now your problem has been solved. Okay, Rudra Aditya, now your problem has been solved. Now students, I have received many answers like in and on. That means the pen is in the book and the book is on the stool. So in and on option goes right. Okay, the pen can be kept in the book has been closed and the book has been kept on the stool. So it is also correct because we are not having any picture. We are not having any particular picture. So these option can go correct because sometimes we keep our pens in the book and we close the book. So we can say the pen is in the book and the book is on the stool. So those who have given the answer in and on, the answer is correct. Now I am going to some other options where some of the students have given the answer, like Priyam has given the answer on and in. I am talking to Priyam. Priyam, your answer is like this. The pen is on the book and the book is in the stool. So now, as the image has not been given, we cannot see whether the stool or the table is having any drawer or not. Okay, so we will consider that the book is kept on the surface of the stool. On the surface of the stool, okay, surface. So whenever we are talking about the surface, we use the term on. Okay, Priyam? So here comes, it can be the pen is on the book. Your first answer can be correct because I am not going to give it wrong because we are not having the image. So we can say the pen is in the book or on the book. The pen can be kept on the book also, right? And then after, the book can be kept on the stool. So here, if the option has been given on, it's okay, right. I cannot give cross because that is also a correct answer. We are not having image. But when you are talking about and the book is in, here I have to talk that these answer, if you are writing in, it will be wrong. It will be wrong because we cannot keep a book in the stool. Stool usually doesn't have any drawers. Stool usually doesn't have any drawers. It is just like this. So we doesn't have any drawers in the stool. So this book has to be kept over here. So it has to be on. It has to be on. Okay. So here on, correct, but here in, wrong. If you are telling the pen is on the book and the book is on the stool, that means if both the options are on, like one of the student has given. Let me find out who is that student. Yes, it's Autry. So Autry's answer is on and on. That means Autry is telling the pen is on the book and the book is on the stool. So it's absolutely right. Okay, it's correct, because here the image has not been given, so she can say that pen has been kept on the book and the book has been kept on the stool. So it can be, but the pen is on the book and the book is in the stool, that one is not correct. Okay, so only this one answer has to be rectified by Priyam. Otherwise, everyone has given the correct answer. Okay. Yes, Shwama Prabhu, your answer is also correct. It can be, both the blanks can be on. Okay, very good. So we understood. Welcome, Priyam. You just keep it in mind that where we are talking about the surface and where we are talking about the drawers or something which is having some depth. As in offline videos during the lockdown period, I made one video and it has been uploaded in my library also. You can go on the e-portal and search it out regarding the video on in and on. In details, I have shown with each and every type of things. I have done one activity on it, and I hope everyone has gone through it, that where to use on and where to use in details with lots of activities. I have explained that one. So beta, if you have little bit also confusion, you can ask me questions. You can go through that video to clear your concept. Okay, that video is available on ePortal in the video libraries. You have to just find it out. Okay, very nice. So here comes, we can give the option the pen is on or in. Both the answers are correct. And here the book is on the stool. Okay, the book is on the stool. So we learned 3 sentences with the option use on and in. First 2 sentences were very simple, right? But the third sentence confused us because I gave the same things but in a twist order. So students, you have to keep it in mind there that in examination also, in term 1 exams also, when you are getting the questions, that will be not as simple as we have learned. There will be little bit twist and turns in your questions. Okay, and let me make it clear, your term 1 examination, as you have given your PT1, it was 20 marks paper, MCQ type questions. In term 1 also, it will be 50 marks MCQ questions. Okay, MCQ questions means you have to read each and every line of your textbook. You have to listen each and every sentence of your teacher. Okay, because if you are not attentive, if you are not concentrating, that means you will skip a point which can be twisted in the question in your MCQ question type. Okay, so each and every line, go through the textbook, each and every line, so that you can answer any type of questions asked. You will be given 50 minutes for 50 questions. So learn properly so that you can answer your questions on your own with lots of confidence. Okay, so I hope regarding queries of teachers regarding exams and regarding syllabus, everything has been cleared to you. We have already narrated the syllabus to all of you. Very good, very good. Very good, Simran. Very good, Granthana. I hope, Granthana, you have completed your breakfast. Okay, very nice. Okay, so next time, make it earlier, okay? Before sitting for the class, you complete it, okay? Because it is true quite late, not 10 o'clock. Before 10 o'clock, you should have your breakfast, okay? Okay. So, everyone, take care of yourself. I conclude my class over here and I will be back again with your science class. Bye bye, students.